It's such a wonderful world to live in and have some treasures which you are gonna love it forever. Hi guys, this is Gaurav back with another fragrance review, and this time at our Splash Fragrance India's official channel. We have brought to you this beautiful fragrance by the house of Areej Le Dore, which is actually discontinued last year. This fragrance, as we look upon, it's called as Russian Musk II. Russian Musk II is a fragrance which was launched in 2020. As I said, it's an extract de parfum which has launched in 50 ml, and it's basically a classical cheap fragrance which is full of fresh foresty notes driven by furry animalic character of natural wild Siberian deer musk with a touch of floral and unmistakable piney Russian feel. Guys, this fragrance is actually, I would say, a flanker to the regular Russian musk fragrance which was launched 2-3 years back, and the fragrance was actually quite a hit because they have used the note of actual deer musk. They have actually used the real deer musk in the fragrance, which is cultivated in Siberia, and that fragrance actually gave you it was a wonderful fragrance, I would say, and this fragrance is no exception. So without further delay, let's talk about the unboxing of this fragrance. Now, when we talk about the presentation, this fragrance actually comes in a beautiful, smooth, velvety box, which has a cloth sort of texture. On the back of the box, we can see the details about the brand, a short description written here, with the brand name mentioned on the bottom. This fragrance box, I feel that it is quite elegant in nature, and it feels very opulent, like holding it in my hand. And we have to do the quick unboxing, so let me just take out a sticker, and this fragrance opens up like this. So guys, just have a look at this beautiful mesmerizing fragrance, Russian Musk II. Even inside the box, if you can see that it has been very carefully been stored. And when we talk about the fragrance, guys, we have a gem in my hand, and when we have a look at this is a beautiful bottle design which is actually something very unique. If you can have a look at the glass style, with a cap which is of metal with calligraphy in Arabic with Areej Le Dore logo in the middle. This fragrance has been very minutely detailed with. The sprayer has a logo of Areej Le Dore embellished on the top with the name of the perfume, which has been put up here as a metal label. On the back of the bottle, as you can see, it has Areej Le Dore logo, official logo, being pasted, and on the bottom it's a very unique style. I think so it is written Areej Le Dore, I think so, by Russian Adam. I'm so sorry. On the bottom, if you can have a look, it's written in a unique way that it is made by Russian Adam. This fragrance, the fragrance which I'm holding in my hand, is a very unique fragrance as a whole. This fragrance actually features the note of citrus. It has the note of pine. It has the conifer note. It has musk. It has the actual deer musk. It has oud in the base. It has a lot of notes blending in the middle. We also have oud. We have very woody notes. What I feel that this fragrance is actually very similar to the older bottle. Let me show you guys. I also own this beautiful fragrance called as Russian Musk. The fragrance is actually very similar with both of them, but the older one, Russian Musk, was more often citrus heavy in the initial, with a very generous note of animalic musk, which was actually quite a tamed fragrance, I would say. But with the Russian Musk II, they have not been easy. They have been very manipulative, very different when we talk about the aspect of deer musk. It is way too harsh, it is way too animalic, and the opening does not have a lot of citrus blending. It has more of a green conifer note. When we look at the sprayer, it's a mist formal sprayer, I would say, which gives a very elegant feel. This fragrance, what I feel that it's a fragrance which can be termed as a fragrance for heaven. This is actually very gorgeous. Whenever you will sniff it, the fragrance will actually change or morph completely, because this fragrance, like its counterpart Russian musk, was a very transcending sort of fragrance which kept on having so many layers that every time you wear it you will feel that some of the other notes are blending and playing very unique in a very unique way. This fragrance, I feel that it's a scent for kings. This is actually very regal, very royal, and at the same time, for me, it was love at first sniff. And this fragrance, what I feel that it was something every fragrance lover who are actually fragrance enthusiasts should have it, because this is something which has actually gone for a lifetime. If you have it, guys, treasure it, because this is not everyday kind of a scent, and rather I would say that this is a fragrance when you feel a little bit low, or if you want to have the way of alacrity, this is something you will definitely love to rock and roll. This is a very majestic fragrance which will actually work quite a lot in winters, and the original deer musk grains being used inside, I think so that the older it is, the better it becomes. You just give this fragrance some time and it will mature it very well. And also my older bottle Russian musk, if you can just have a look, it is approximately 10 ml available right here, and I'm using it very sparingly because won't be able to get it again. And this fragrance was also very good when it was launched, but I would say that Areej Le Dore has actually amped up the presentation. The earlier bottle used to come in a very basic sort of bottle. The label was leather with had the text engraved here, and the cap was wooden. It was not that great, but with Russian Musk II, this series, they have worked a lot on the presentation, and when they asked the price of 40,000 rupees for 50 ml, it actually justifies. This actually, if we talk in the normal terms, 100 ml costs you 80,000, guys. That's quite a fortune, and this fragrance is actually something I feel that this is not an everyday kind of scent, and this is something for your mental calmness, or if you want to go in a state of meditation, this is something you will definitely love. So that's it for now, guys. If you love this video, please hit like, share and subscribe, and also consider sharing this video as much as possible, because the more you share, the more fragrance community will know about Splash Fragrance and its official channel. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Gaurav signing off.